Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about highlighting and contouring. Of course, I love doing this makeup look even if it's for a date night or running errands. I feel so put together. So let's get into it. So first off, of course, I put on my primer and my foundation and I did my eyebrows. First off, I'm going to talk about how I contour my face. I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed, and I just get a Real Techniques brush, dabble into it, put it on the cheeks, and then of course on my forehead, just to give a little color onto my face and contour my cheekbones and my forehead. Next up on how I highlight my face, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow. I just go underneath my eyes, down my nose, and of course on my chin. Alright, so I have already contoured my face, highlighted the areas that I wanted to highlight. Then I go in with the Revolution's Luxury Baking Powder, and of course I just put this on the areas that I already highlighted my face. Alright, I just got done putting my baking powder on. Of course I have a little excess on my face, but I'm going to go in and do my eyeshadow, and I know I'm going to have some fallout, so I will brush that away once I get done. Alright, I just got done doing my eyeshadow now, so I'm going to just brush off the excess eyeshadow and the baking powder off of my face. After I brushed off all the excess baking powder and eyeshadow, I went back in with Hoola Bronzer and the Small Techniques brush and just went back in to darken my contour on my cheeks. Of course, more of a sculptor look, and I like it just because it looks a little bit darker at the very tops of my cheekbone, and then I get a random brush and then just sort of blend it out so it's not too dark so it can blend in with my makeup. Alright, after I got done contouring my face a little bit more, I'm going to go in with a baking highlighter just to finish up my look just a little bit, and of course add a little color to my face. Next up, I'm going to go in with mascara on my bottom lashes. I always do this lash just because since I use baking powder so close to my eyes, I don't want my mascara and my baking powder to run together. Alright, and I saved the best for last, a dark lipstick. I always love using a dark lipstick with this look just because with the contour, the highlight, a dark lipstick you can't go wrong on. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy it. Until next time, I had fun baking with y'all.